This lesson, we're going to initiate playing the game. We have the HTML components, we have the input text area, which we need to enable for the player to add and start writing their text. We also need to output wording at random whenever the player hits the start button. So we've got our console and we are listening for whatever inner text is on the element that got triggered, the event listener, and that's the button with the inner text of start. So we see start being output here within the console. Next, we're going to check to see if inner text is equal to start. Then we know that the start button has been hit and we are ready to play the game. If the inner text is start, first let's grab play text and we're going to take the disabled attribute and set that to false. So essentially that will enable the text area to be written in. And then we're going to invoke a function called play game. Let's create that function. So there's the function that gets invoked, and this is where all of the gameplay will take place. Coming up next, I'll show you how we can add in that text. Coming up next, I'll show you how we're going to grab some random text from this wording array and output it for the player to be able to start typing. So we refresh, hit start, and we see that now it's been enabled. So go ahead and add this into your game.